And how about your hand? Just open your palm, look at the camera, and smile. And they're so cute. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has a unique homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest or larvae, and they're going to show us how the proper process is done.
Hello everyone! Wow, what a beautiful entrance! Good. His name is Vincent. Together with the birds, saying hi! She is the cutest. Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Ira. Together with Bina, say hello. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. Is that it? Fantastic! Excellent work, buddies.